What is it that we promise? We promise that we ensure that children do not miss out on the vital stimulation for brain growth. It could be the thought process, it could be the vocabulary, it could be the interrelated activities, it could be the play-based learning, it could be the poems, stories, rhymes, and all of it, right? So that is what we promise that we give through our books, and that will address the 85% of the cumulative brain development that occurs prior to the age of 6. We are giving so much that they would acquire everything at a very leisurely pace in a fun manner. So it is like learning through fun. Full-fledged schools may not start this year, so what we can look at is probably the schools can take these books, as Ramesh sir said, the concept and practice book will help them in building their lesson plan for the whole year. May not start this year, is that I'm saying that may not start early this year, even if it is June, July, probably it may start in July, August. Maybe they lose out on a year, on a month or two. You never know. For the smaller kids, how comfortable would it be for the parents to risk? We don't know. We are in the third wave now. Not sure if we get to fourth wave. Hopefully not. But nevertheless, even if the schools don't start, our books are best designed to cater to any eventuality. If the school starts, it's like the wonderful thing. They would just jump and love to use our books because there's so much for them to do, rather than just sitting and thinking about what activity they should be giving the children at home, what activity they should be doing the next day, and stuff like that. We have everything ready with us. Uncertain times, no worries. There is no limit for your child's progress. That is the bottom line. And limit screen time of your kids. This is the most important stuff that we need to be talking about, right? If 85% of the brain development is happening prior to the age of 6, if I don't stimulate it properly, it would all go waste. Darwin's law, right? Use it or lose it. If I don't use it, I will lose it. I prefer that the children don't lose out on their thinking abilities. Rather, we as Acumen today, right? Okay. So the approach is basically what does this help the children to acquire? Attempt towards building the age-appropriate skills. What are they? Motor skills. Motor skills is about writing. Yeah, about picking up and throwing and all of it, which would happen in the schools, collective learning. Cognitive skills, language skills, mathematic and arithmetic skills, which is basically cognitive skills is all about the thinking, which is stimulating the brain, because 85% of the brain development is happening. So I need to stimulate it a lot. Language skills, they need to learn the language. They learn the language at home, which is their mother tongue. They need to learn one more additional language, which is English. And of course, the numeracy skills, which is mathematics and arithmetic skills. Yeah, so this is something that we talk about, age-appropriate skills and age-appropriate personality development, which includes the behavior, the values, the character, their attitude, their aptitude, and of course, the overall knowledge, which will help each child to develop as an individual personality. They would have a thought of their own. They would have a mind of their own. They would have an analysis that they would do of their own, because the fundamentals are all taken care of, right? So the key features of our books, you all seen, you already started selling also. Colorfully illustrated activity-based books, lot of activities. After every 2 or 3 pages, or rather on every page, there is an activity. If it's a practice book. If it's a concept book, every alternate page, there is a lot of activity. Scientifically arranged lessons, one after the other, which will build all of their skills in a step-by-step manner. Simple and easy to understand activities. Little bit, even if the child sees the pages, the child will understand what is to be done, even if they are not able to read it out, right? Yeah, so things like that. Colorful and child-friendly illustrations. They're very colorful and child-friendly illustrations. A lot of fun activities. ample of writing practice. There's a lot of writing practice also. Helps in teaching various skills and concepts in a well-graded and thematic manner. So these are some of the key features you can you can look up to when we talk about our 3I methodology, the books for the preschools, the pre-primary that we have developed.